Good morning, student. Such a kind of question can also be asked in the examination, that is comparison of CMOS and TTL logic family. So these are the n number of parameters. So any 6 or 7 parameter you need to write in the examination. That is the first column में TTL, that is transistor logic, and complementary metal oxide semiconductor. So the first point is very simple, that is the full form, right? Now, the basic devices. So in transistor logic, which one is the basic device? That is bipolar junction transistor. And in the CMOS, which it is used, that is MOSFET. That is metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. Is so power consumptions in the TTL is high, and in the CMOS is very low. The speed is fast than the basic CMOS. Matlab TTL is a faster, where you require a fast application, fast speed, then you need to go for the TTL. And CMOS, it is also speed is high in the modern CMOS. Noise immunity is lower, and in the CMOS it is higher. The fan out, that is moderate and high. And the operating voltage usually it is plus 5 volt, and it is the wide range, that is 3 volt to 15 volt. Now power dissipation is more in the TTL and it is less in the CMOS. Very simple comparison is there. The heat generation is more in the TTL than the CMOS. The cost is higher. The CMOS की cost low है. The switching speed, that is, the switching speed is good and it is excellent in the modern ICs. The application of the TTL is the older computer, the TTL ICs, whatever the ICs we have used in the this lab practical now, these all IC has been made by the TTL, and the CMOS can be used for the modern processor, mobile devices, and the series that it is for TTL is 7400 and CMOS की 4000, right? तो 7400 सीरीज मतलब आपको तो पता है एंड गेट का आईसी नंबर क्या है, 740 है. मतलब कोई भी आईसी नंबर हम लैब में जो देखा था वो 74 से स्टार्ट हो रहा था, इसीलिए टीटीएल के आईसी 7400 सीरीज है एंड सीमॉस के आईसी 4000 सीरीज है. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द कंपैरिजन ऑफ सीमॉस एंड टीटीएल. So any 7 to 8 point you need to write in the examination if you want doubt about if the question is there. Okay, thank you.